Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Proton Mail is a secure end-to-end encrypted email service, while Gmail is a feature-rich integrated email platform. Using them together requires an understanding of how each service works and what you want to achieve. You can't sync Proton Mail with Gmail in the traditional way due to Proton Mail's end-to-end encryption. You can, however, use a combination of forwarding and a paid feature called Proton Mail Bridge to get a semblance of a unified inbox. Here is a full guide on how to use Proton Mail with Gmail, from a basic setup to a more advanced workflow. The first method is forwarding new emails from Proton Mail to Gmail, which is actually best for beginners. This is the simplest way to ensure you don't miss any emails sent to your Proton Mail address. It only forwards new incoming emails. It will not forward your existing Gmails or emails. The first step in it is to set up a forwarding rule in Proton Mail. Now log in to your Proton Mail account on the web at mail.proton.mail like this. Go to settings, that is the gear icon in the top right, and then click on all settings. In the left hand menu, select Proton Mail, then click on auto reply and forward. Click on the forward emails tab and then add forwarding rules. In the rule, you can either forward all emails or set specific conditions, e.g. forward emails from a specific sender. Enter your Gmail address in the forward to field, click next, and then send confirmation email. Proton Mail will send a confirmation email to your Gmail account. The second step is to accept the forwarding request in Gmail. Log into your Gmail account in your web browser here, and then find the email from Proton Mail with the subject confirm email forwarding. Click the link in the email to confirm the forwarding request. Now these are some of the important notes about this method. This method only forwards new emails. Your emails are not encrypted once they arrive in your Gmail inbox, as Gmail does not support Proton Mail's encryption. Also, the free Proton Mail plan may have limitations on forwarding. You may need a paid plan to set up a complex forwarding rules. Now the second method is to use Proton Mail Bridge to sync with a desktop client. This method is for paid Proton Mail users and allows you to use your Proton Mail account within a desktop email client like Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, or Mozilla Thunderbird. While you can't add your Proton Mail account directly to your Gmail's web interface, you can get a single unified view of both accounts within a desktop app. Proton Mail Bridge is a desktop application that runs in the background. It works by creating a local encrypted tunnel that converts Proton Mail's encrypted data into standard IMAP and SMTP protocols that desktop email clients can understand. First, you need to download and install Proton Mail Bridge. Log in to your Proton Mail account. Now go to Settings, and then All Settings, and then Proton Mail, then click on Bridge. Now go ahead and download and install the application for your operating system. You can set up your email client. Open Proton Mail Bridge on your computer. Bridge will generate the necessary IMAP and SMTP details, that is username and password, that are required to connect to your email client. Open your desktop email client, e.g. Outlook and Apple Mail. Go to the Add a New Account section and then select Other or IMAP/SMTP and enter the details provided by Proton Mail Bridge. Now this is what this method does. It allows you to view and manage your Proton Mail inbox and send messages from your Proton Mail address directly from your desktop email client. Your emails remain encrypted on Proton Mail servers. The Bridge app handles all the decryption and encryption locally on your device. You can add both your Gmail and Proton Mail accounts to the same desktop client for a unified inbox view. The third method is migrate old emails from Gmail to Proton Mail. This is the most common use case for people who want to switch to Proton Mail for privacy. Proton Mail offers an easy switch feature to automatically import your existing emails, contacts, and calendars from Gmail. Just log in to your Proton Mail account on the web again, go to Settings, and then click on All Settings, and then Import via Easy Switch. Select Google as your source. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your Google account and grant Proton Mail permission to import your data, and you should be done successfully. This process works in the background and is the most secure and convenient way to transfer your old data. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.